What's up, guys? KidMara95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Reddcoin here. Currently up about 9% for the day, sitting slightly above half a penny. But we're looking at the BTC value, folks, up about 8% for the day, sitting at 85 satoshis. Really quick though, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 281 billion. Today's volume is 10 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 39.8%. Up about almost 1% for the day, sitting at 6,500. Ethereum up almost 1 as well, sitting at 5. Ripple up about 0.5%, sitting at 53. Bitcoin Cash up about half as well, sitting at 857. EOS up 0.3, up slightly below 11. Litecoin up about 1, sitting just below 98. Big winners today: Dragon Chain up about 13, Reddcoin up about 10, Mithra up about 8, and Binance up about 6, and VeChain up about 5. Digibyte almost 5 as well. Nano up about 3. But you folks came here for some Reddcoin. Market cap is sitting at 159 million. Today's volume is 2.2 million. Circulating supply 28 million. Major exchanges here, folks. Not many. Bittrex, Upbit, Cryptopia, Yobit, and Trade Satoshi looks like are the major exchanges. So BTC to USD on the daily, folks, stood kind of doing a little bit of consolidating at this price. I'm waiting for that daily close above 6,700. If we break and close above 6,700, we should see BTC, make a run from 6.7 at least up to 7.6, and then find resistance here, come back down, form a higher low. If we're gonna, start an uptrend, but if we don't form a higher low, I'm expecting price to actually fall down to about 5,000. But again, just my personal opinion, folks. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Ethereum, I'm waiting for a break and close above 520 on the daily. Once we break and close above 520 on the daily, expecting a run up to about 590, almost 600. And at that point, we'll be finding resistance as well, coming back down to form a higher low, slightly above 525, like around 530. If we do form that higher low, expecting Ethereum to make a run. However, if we don't, I'm expecting Ethereum to actually fall all the way back down to about 400 to 375. But again, folks, you already know, just my personal opinion. Litecoin looks like we have a nice little descending wedge here that we're respecting. I'm expecting Litecoin's price to fall down to 75. However, we could potentially be holding here at about 90. This was a nice little higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, huge break. So we're currently sitting at this price now. So we could actually be holding at this level. What I'm actually waiting for on Litecoin, folks, is a break and close above 103 on the daily. Once we break and close above 103 on the daily, Litecoin should be good to go. But if we don't break and close above 103, expect the drop all the way down to about 85. But again, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You folks came here for some Reddcoin to BTC. We're looking at the daily. Nice little uptrend we got started here back in December 2017. That's my dog scratching himself in the background. Sorry about that. Beginning of the uptrend here, December 13th, bounce number 2, April 5th, and then it looks like we got that third bounce here back in June 15th, which was about 2 days ago. Broke out of this nice little descending wedge as well, formed a higher high, this high beat this high, came down to find our major support, and now it looks like we're heading towards the upside. So what I'm actually waiting for, folks, is I'm waiting for it to break and close above 90 satoshis. Once we break and close above 90 satoshis on the daily, should be good to go. As you can tell, momentum has already started to shift towards the upside. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hour really quick. Oh, that's okay, dog. Just lay on my bed. You do what you gotta do, my guy. Yeah, you. This guy. So, if you're looking for that sniper entry, folks, wait for that break and close above 85 satoshis on the 4 hour. Once we break and close above 85 satoshis on the 4 hour, Reddcoin should be good to go. Momentum has definitely heavily shifted towards the upside. Currently at a minor resistance. Just wait for that break and close above 85 satoshis. My target for Reddcoin, I think Reddcoin can easily come up to its all-time high here at about 194 satoshis. But I'm going to push it up a little bit and say we actually hit our 200 mark. But again, folks, just my personal opinion, expecting that to be hit by 2018. More aggressive target here is 300. Also expecting that one to be hit in 2018. Just a little bit more aggressive, just depends how fast this bull market does come, and when it does come, I'm sure it'll come fast. But again, guys, just my personal opinion. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.